Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today in YOUCANIC we have a 2015 Mercedes SL400, and on this SL400 we're going to go over the process and where you would add your windshield washer fluid. So to start with, of course, you would open up your door, and then right down here you're going to see a red lever, and this is like right where your left foot would sit, and you're going to pull that. You just got to get your finger into there and then pull that. And that pops the latch, and now we go on to the safety latch portion. So you come right down around here at the front, you have our emblem, and then right in here is where you can reach your fingers in and be able to pull the latch to be able to raise it. So this is the latch that you're going for, and we just pull it to the side at your double safety latch, and you have your original latch. And now you can just raise up your hood. That is its general standing position, and you can push it all the way up if you're doing more work on it and you want to gain better access. You can push it all the way up to there. So your windshield washer fluid is located on the right side of the vehicle, the passenger side, and this is the reservoir for the windshield washer fluid. So we just need to pop our cap here, and then this is where we would add our fluid. Now you put any brand or kind that you like to put in, as long as it's windshield washer fluid to add in there. If this is very low, and it's going to take pretty much a whole gallon, we're very close to. It sometimes can take more. But if this was full, and you're still not getting windshield washer fluid to come out to be able to clean your windows, then you may need to look into, do you have a fuse that has gone bad, or is the pump itself not working? You may need to replace the pump that's to be able to use this. Those are a couple things you may need to look at. But if you just need to add fluid, this is where you would put it, fill it up, and then be able to close your cap. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.